Hello students, welcome to Happy Faces. In our last video, we will learn about the introduction of digital presentation, layout of PowerPoint and some basic features of the PowerPoint like adding the text, image, table, charts, etc. in the PowerPoint presentation. In this video, we are going to learn about some more features of the PowerPoint like transition effects and animations. So let's start. I was created this presentation in our last video. Take a look at this. This presentation looks very simple and unprofessional. For giving our presentation a professional and polished look, we can add the transition effects in our presentation. Transition is the flashy eye-catching effects between two slides. There are three categories of transition effects: subtle, exciting and dynamic content. Subtle is the simple transition effects, whereas exciting and dynamic content are the more advanced and complex transition effects. They can add the nice touch to your presentation. I will add the one transition effect from each category to our presentation. For first slide, I will add the cut effect from subtle. For second slide, I will add the dissolve effect from exciting category. For third slide, I will add the pan effect. For third slide, I will add the pan effect, and for second slide I will add the dissolve effect. For fourth slide, checkerboard from exciting, and for last slide I will add split effect. Okay, now I will add the transition effects in our presentation. Now take a look. So in this way you can add the transition effects in your presentation. You can change the transition time from here and you can add the transition sound from here. Just click here, and here by default some sounds are available. You can click any sound and add the sound in your presentation. Apply to all. In PowerPoint, you can animate the text, image, video or any other objects on our slide. Animation can be used for getting the attention from the audience or for making the slide easier to see. Always remember the difference between transition and animation is that transition are applied between two slides, whereas animations are applied on the objects in the slide. For add the animation to the object, first of all click the object, and in animation tab you can see the four types of animation: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. Entrance can be control the flow of object while entering in the slide, whereas exit is control the flow of object from exiting from the slide. Emphasis and motion paths are appear when the object is on the slide. Okay, you can add the more than one animation effect in a single object. For that, select the object and add animation. Before we add the fly in animation effect, now theta. Add, and then we add the exit animation effect. Okay, we can add the animation effect in text also. So in that way, we can add the various animation effects in our presentation. So in this method, you can add the transition effects and animation in your slide. I hope you understand to this topic. Please like this video, subscribe our channel, and give your valuable feedback in comment section. Thank you.